Howdy folks, if anybody's been following my comments on SV Seeker's YouTube channel, you'll know that I've been moving. This is my new garage slash shop. It's a bit of a fuster-cluck right now, but anyway, I've got most of my tools moved up here. I'm not finished rearranging everything. As you can see, it's a nice little mess. Here's my little weld table, shop vac, my welders. Haven't remounted my grinder yet. That's actually what those little hunks of steel are for. Those on this table are for a different project. You'll hear about that shortly. But anyway, not a whole lot of room compared to what I used to have, but I don't have a bunch of junk taking up the garage anymore. So that's it for now. Well, this is my next project. I'm making a new stand for my little bench grinder. Them rusty pieces are going to be the crossbars that, let's see if I can zoom in. Don't know how well that's going to focus, but you see the holes there, drill holes in those, and mount it on either side of that little C channel. And the longer ones are obviously the base to hold it up. Now, C channel is galvanized, so got to do a lot of grinding. I've already, don't know how well you can see that orange mark. Let's try it on this one. Yay! Noise. I guess you can't really see it because of the light, but there's a little orange line there that where I'm gonna clean off all the galvanizing and probably grind off on the inside too, so it doesn't fume when I'm welding it. So more later. Well, after a little bit of grinding and polishing, I clamped the base together so that it's pretty well vertical. And then I'm gonna tack it with the TIG and then MIG weld it out. Well, I went ahead and TIGged the bottoms in place, and I'm gonna do the edges like a lap weld. I haven't done the upper one yet, or the other side yet, but I just wanted to show you my ugly welds. The bottom ones came out real ugly, mostly because I didn't bother to clean off the bottom of the channel. Well, sometimes clean up rusty metal is a royal pain, but got it down to clean metal where I'm going to be welding at. The rest of it I just knocked off the surface rust. It'll all get painted. Anywho, there's my setup. Probably asking how I got it square. Well, it's as square as I can get it, and I'll just make sure that the other side is aligned with it. Well, on these little pieces, I went ahead and TIGged three sides. The bottom where that, or the back side of that channel, I will MIG because that's a lot of metal to push in there. And I'm getting set up to MIG the base too. So I'll have two sides of the base to MIG. I did TIG weld the bottoms where it was sort of a lap weld. And there it stands. I'd forgotten that I had that flux core wire, so of course it spatters like crazy, even though with my CO2 argon mix, I guess it would have been dual shield. But anyway, I got a little bit more cleaning up and painting to do, but there it is. Ta-da! And there it is, all nicely painted. I had some old rod, bar stock, whatever, that chewed up and rusted that I threw in there to give it a little bit of additional stability. And minimal wobble. Yeah. And that's where it's going to sit for the time being. Thanks. Have a great day.